Now we'll look at our industry statistics database. If I take you into Browse by Databases, and we next select Industry Data, this is giving us access to all Excel files of over 230 pieces of analysis. Using the Refine button on the left-hand side, we can refine this by sector or by geography type. All of the data files are interactive and they all cover our complete country coverage. If I take you back to the main homepage, complementary to the Excel files, you're also given access to our industry statistics database. If I click onto industry statistics here, you'll see there's 3 dashboards: values, volumes, and segmentation. If I take you into our values dashboard first, you'll see that all of this data complements the Excel files as they're all presented in visuals. So this is our industry statistics page for values. Here we can select our industry, our region selector, and also by geography. For the purpose of this demonstration, you'll see we've selected agricultural products. Below we have the value time series from 2013 with future predictions to 2022. And on the right-hand side, we have the value share percentage. This is already pre-populated at 2019, but if you're looking for future predictions, you can just move the arrow further along. We also have our geographical heat maps at the bottom of the screen and the growth rates by percentage. Next, I'll take you into our volumes dashboard. Just as before, you can select your industry, region selector, and geography, and you're presented with the volume time series from 2013 to future predictions of 2022, the volume share, and the geographical heat map. You can then do exactly the same search with our segmentation dashboard.